Hey guys, it's Matt Calling here for your Minute with Matt. Today what I want to talk to you about is flexibility. There is a term called the law of requisite variety, which is the person that has the most flexibility is the one that controls the system. And so what I mean by that is having flexibility around your communication, flexibility around your psychology, flexibility around your behaviour. Now, all of these interlink. If we can become flexible inside, and that's that communication inside, when we change the communication inside, we change the communication externally. That in turn impacts how we feel, and how we feel determines our behaviour. And so the person that can move outside of the boundary conditions or limiting beliefs, negative emotions, is the one that is going to have complete flexibility and to be able to build rapport more effectively and really take advantage of the opportunities that are in front of us that typically people don't see. So that is my minute for Matt. Take care.